Like, I took a measuring tape, I measured the hair, and it's 30 inches. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Today, I'm channeling my poetic justice. I'm channeling joy from Friday. I got some really long Ziggy Mambo twists from Janet Collection. I am so excited because they sent me this hair. I get to try it. I get to tell you how much I love it. I get to show you how long this hair is. Y'all, spoiler alert, it's 30 inches. 30 inches, okay? I've never worn hair this long. I'm very excited. And because this hair is the Mambo twist, that's a lot like the Marley twist, I'm excited because these are already pre-twisted. I tried to do Marley twists a while back and I had to use a whole bunch of gel to keep the hair from unraveling because I'm not that great at twisting, but this hair is already twisted. Let me show you the hair. They sent me 8 packs. I know I'm not gonna use 8 packs, but it's good to have extra because I might wanna wear this style more than one time. So the pack looks like this. I'm gonna scoot back. And this is the Ziggy Mambo twist in 30 inches. It says each strand is 100% handmade, and Janet Collection usually doesn't miss. I did have a little bit of a hard time with the butterfly locks, but I'm excited for this because the loop looks big enough. The hair actually looks thick, so I think I'm not gonna have to use as much in my hair. And all I can do is get started. So I've opened one pack and these feel very soft. There are only 8 pieces per pack, which is why I think they sent me so many packs, but I'm going to try to skip spaces because even though this is soft hair, I know that the longer it gets, the heavier it gets. I do want to show you the ends. The ends are twisted very tight, like Senegalese twist, and the top part of it is the looser Marley twist. I would assume that it's tied at the bottom just so it doesn't come unraveled, but this is a little bit of a different twist than the rest of the hair. Let me show you my braiding pattern. I've had these braids for, I think 2 weeks, maybe a week. I can't remember what is time. But I've had these braids for a little bit. I washed my hair when I took the other locks out. This is my braiding pattern. Have 9 in the front and they connect in the back. Now, let me show you what 30 inches will look like on me. If I take this hair and I just put it here, it's gonna be pretty long. So I think instead of doing this back row, I'm gonna skip and just go up a little bit. I don't know how long I want it to be, but I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna show you the loop in this hair as well. Here it is. If I can get my finger through here, then we're all good. Yeah, that opens up pretty well. So I'll show you one before I start my install. I put in my latch hook. I'm gonna put the hair on the end of the latch hook. Make sure it's on and close it. Pull it through just a little bit. This is a very thick lock, so this might be kind of hard. I'm gonna put the end through and I'm gonna pull it. All right. Now I'm gonna be pulling for a long time. I'm gonna pull it, pull it, pull it. Just see how this goes. All right. That's one. Again, let me show you how long it is from this angle. So right here. Now right off the bat, I do feel like this is a little bit more heavy than I'm used to, but I know that the lock is long. I'm gonna go ahead and install 2 or 3 packs, and I'm going to put about 2 finger widths in between each lock, and then I'll go back and fill in spaces, but I don't want a whole lot of these locks in my head. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm in love. Y'all, this hair is thick, but it's soft. It lays really nicely. Now let me tell you what I did, because initially I put 6 packs of this hair in my head, and there's 8 pieces per pack, so 48 pieces. But then it was just a little too bulky. It was a little more bulky than I wanted it. And that was even with putting my 2 finger width spaces between each one. So what I did was I went to the back at the very base of my neck. I had a row of like 8 of them, and I took all 8 of those out. And I put them in places up here to kind of fill in so you couldn't see my braids. So it doesn't go all the way down. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it also doesn't matter because this hair is thick and it has amazing coverage. So in all, I used 5 packs of this hair. Again, my hair is in cornrows, so if you did like individuals maybe with this hair, you could probably use even less. I would say purchase 6 packs just to be safe. Depends on the fullness that you want. If you want to do half up, half down, the number of braids that you have, or if you're going to do individuals. The excellent thing is I can unloop this hair and save it for later. I love it. I do think they have a shorter version as well. You can definitely try that, but baby, this 30 is giving dance hall, okay? It's giving, I'm gonna slang it. It's giving fullness. It's giving body-ody. I love it. It's super soft. And I have a big bonnet that fits all of it. And Janet Collection sent me a Nala Tress shower cap. You know, my locks can go down in here and then I can pin it up while I'm in the shower. That's going to be perfect because this is a lot of hair. I'm going to put all the information for this hair in the description box. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, y'all have a good day.